You know, a wise man once said, never wrestle with a pig. You're both going to get dirty and the pig enjoys it. You don't have to get down on their level. Well, I'm not going to let them get away with anything. Well, they did it to me, I'm going to do it to them. No, you're twisting the golden rule. You didn't want it done to you. They did it to you. Now you're going to do it back to them. That's not the golden rule. That's the golden stupid. You've taken the golden rule and tried to put revenge on the end of it. You've weaponized the golden rule. And I ain't going to let you get away with it, and God ain't either. That's not the golden rule. Well, they did it to me, so I did it. It says, do unto others. Somebody did it to me, so I did it to others. No, you're twisting Scripture. And you're in real good company when you do that, because the number one Scripture twister in the world is Lucy Fur. Hello. Does everybody know Lucy Fur? A few timid saints raised their hand about half-mast, but the truth of it, the truth of the matter is, if you know Jesus, you know the devil, because he hates your guts, because he hates Jesus' guts.